Add some personality to your home or office with custom mousepads printed on IUV 600S. But before you watch the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Get the size of your mousepad and print a border so the print will be exactly placed on the mousepad. Place the mousepad on the print bed. Press load to begin printing. IUV 600S has an auto-adjustable height and delivers the largest material thickness up to 300 mm and the printable area up to 60 by 45 cm. Printing on mousepad using IUV 600S is faster than dye sublimation. With IUV 600S, there is no additional heating or curing necessary. The LED UV part of LED UV printer is the drying mechanism, meaning after printing, you can use the mouse immediately. Personalized mousepad is a unique idea, especially for custom office corporate gifts or promotional items. Create stunning and full-color image prints on a wider range of substrates with the compressed IUV LED printers. For more information, visit our website at www.multisys.me. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.